Okay, this is the condensing unit. It's on the east side of the house. Linux, 1 year old, like we expect. Just like the other video. This is the water heater temperature pressure relief valve drain line. That's the primary. And now the yard has been sodded. It's a little different. It's not 6 inches from the ground. But what we're over here for is the Linux. Like I said, we see it's 1 year old. It's 3.5 tons. R22, excuse me, no it's not. 410A, the good stuff. Maximum fuse 40 amps. Now we have anti-theft shredder valve caps, that's a good thing. Refrigerant piping is properly insulated, that's a good thing. Lots of good things. It's just about far enough away. It's level, we've got a rain diverter. I want to go back to this. Maximum fuse 40 amps. So we come over here. And no thanks to the labeling, but by the process of elimination, we were able to determine that this unit is overfused. It's a 50 amp breaker, which means, just a break from our sponsors, Good Home Inspection. Good Home Inspection. So, a process of elimination, we were able to ascertain that this 50 amp breaker actually controls the condensing unit. Alright, there it goes. This is overfused. The breaker is overfused. That's a safety device for your system, so that when it overheats, it will trip. But a 40 amp breaker will trip a lot sooner than a 50 amp breaker. Not only that, is when it comes time to replace the system, the newer system will be even more energy efficient. And as grossly overfused as this is, it will be extremely overfused for the replacement. So what did we learn? Our HVAC system condensing unit is basically, it's installed properly. However, it's improperly wired.